baby, don't check for me. Taking time out to be and live my life off screen. Taking time.
Hey guys, it's Sharika and welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe before you leave. Today is Wednesday. I keep thinking it's Thursday, but it's Wednesday. And I just left the gym. Well, it's been a while. I probably left the gym like an hour ago. I had some errands to run, and now I'm headed to DHW because I want to see if they have those Birkenstocks. I really want me a pair. I really do. So I've been looking for them. So hopefully they have them in here today, because the last time they had some, but it was the kind that had like the fur in the inside. I mean, I don't hate them, but that's not the pair that I want. And I want to get like a taupe pair, a taupe color. So that's what we're doing today. And then I'm gonna run to Target and then Ross. I'm just gonna hit up a few stores in this plaza just to kind of do some window shopping, because I'm pretty much done working for the day. So I decided to start a new vlog. Y'all, the skin, she's skinning, okay? But yeah, so I decided to start a new vlog, take you guys with me. I'm actually in the town center right now. They built a new Marshall's over here. I haven't been in Marshall. Well, they have a Marshall's by the Home Goods that I usually go to. They never have anything in there, but you know, sometimes they might pop out with something. But I've never been in this new one over here. I think it's been here for probably like maybe 6 months, but I've never been to it. So I'm gonna go to Marshall's. I'm gonna go to Famous Footwear if DHW, what is it? I'm talking about DHW. If DSW doesn't have the Birkenstocks, then I'm gonna go to Famous Footwear and see if they have them. Because the last time I went over there, they were completely out. And then I want to go to Ross and check out their home decor section, because in the town center, the Ross over here, they sometimes have some really cute stuff. You just have to keep popping in and out. So it's not always, but sometimes you might be able to find a hidden gem. I also wanted to go to some thrift stores today, but I might save that for the weekend, see if I can find some different little pieces. I like going to the thrift stores just because sometimes, well, not the thrift store, but an antique shop, just because sometimes you can find, like, you know, the funky shapes. I'm into that. So just something different that you don't see all the time on the internet. So I might do that, but it's a little cloudy, so hopefully it doesn't rain today. I'm not too sure if it's supposed to or not. Probably, because it's been raining all month basically. So let's go in DSW. I am filming on my phone, but I think the quality is pretty good once you put it on cinematic and you have perfect lighting. It looks good. My cheeks are looking a little red because, you know, I just got done working out. Well, like I said, it's been a while ago. I didn't wear a hat today. I decided to wear my headband just because it keeps my hair down and I don't have to worry about doing my hair over again, especially when I have it like in my little bun. So let's go inside.
Amaru, I need a second. I need to think this through. Your words are weapons. Can't you see what you do, girl? Know you fine. Why you have to be so tough? Why you gotta be so tough?
I couldn't talk to y'all while I was in there because people be staring like they have no manners. So they only had the ones with the fur in the inside, but I really want me a pair, y'all. They're so comfortable. Even the ones that had the fur, I tried on the black ones. They had the black fur or whatever, the little fuzzy stuff. I don't know the proper name for it, but they were so comfortable. I know they're not everybody's cup of tea, but I like them, so I'm gonna get them once I found them. But in there, I just tried on the pair, the men's. It was so comfortable. I'm like, oh my gosh. So it had the little fuzzy stuff in the inside, and with the black ones you can't really tell, but I want the taupe color. And then I want it to be like the suede ones, not the leather ones. So I'm gonna try Famous Footwear again, and then I'm gonna try Dillard's And then where else? I think I can try JCPenney's, but I would have to go to the mall. That's a ways away. And then if I can't find them today, then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna order them online. So I'm glad that I had the chance to actually try some on and see how they look on my feet. They were huge because they were men and it was in a size 42. I had about this much room in that shoe, like the back of the shoe. So I probably need like a 40, maybe a 39 in men's. So yeah, I'm gonna find that shoe. And like I said, if I can't find it today in person where I can actually try it on, because I'm big with that. Like, I'm not really a big online shopper. I like to shop in person to just, you know, see how it looks on. So I'm gonna look for that shoe today, and then if I can't find it, we will order it online. But the ones that have the faux fur in the inside, those are $169. I think the other ones, the plain ones, are like maybe like $150 or something like that. Maybe $150, $145, something like that. So I really like them and I want them. Okay, y'all, so we're at Target. Marshall's is right there, and then Western Footwear, Famous Footwear, and then Ross. And then we'll go to the mall and go to JCPenney's, and they have a few other stores that might sell Birkenstocks too. So I'll try that when I get to the mall. Okay, y'all, so just left out of Target. They didn't have anything in that one. That's why I like to go to my Target, because all Targets are not made equal, okay? Some of them have way better stuff than others. So I like to go to my Target, but because I was over here, I decided to look in there because I want to find like some of their basic tops. Y'all know, like some of those tops I've been wearing on my last videos. I usually get those from H&M. But I also like the ones from Target. So now we're gonna go to Marshall's. I just met one of you guys in Target. I love when you guys speak to me. It just makes me feel so special. So that is the second person that I've met this week in Jacksonville. And I only know of a few. I know that I have some Jacksonville subscribers because usually you guys would tell me in the comments. And the few that I do have, we talk all the time. So when I meet people that never say that they're from Jacksonville in the comments, I'm like, oh my God. Girl, I'm sweating a little bit because it's a little hot. Whew. No. Yeah, Marshall's is a no for me. There's so many pumpkins in here. I don't even know what to look for in Marshall's because I never come in here. But yeah, they don't have anything, no home decor or anything like that. So I'm leaving. No luck. Ross is right next door, so I'm just gonna walk down here and then we're leaving. Okay, that looks kind of cool. So this is the men's. It's a little big. The guy said that they're selling out quick and they're not getting any more. So this one's not as comfortable as the one with the fur. I don't know why I like these shoes so much. Hey y'all, so it is the next day. I'm on my way to a wine tasting. Y'all know that's me and my brother thing. He over there digging in the chips. Y'all hear him? I bought this vegan queso from Fresh Market. It's so good. I'm gonna start buying. It'll taste really good on like some shrimp or some fish tacos. You get that, Ryan? You might need to add a little something like some cilantro would be good, but it's not necessary.
Yeah.
Yeah, but
it has contained for the The lime and everything.
Right. Let me show y'all the brand real quick. Is the brand right here. I found it at Fresh Market. It's almost gone because I've been killing it. And so it's plant-based and it's only like 35 calories, but serving size is really small. It's 2 tablespoons, but you can do like 3. We are going to the wine tasting at Cooper's Hawk. So I have on something very chill. Let me show y'all. I just have on a basic top from H&M and then these little joggers from H&M. It says like original right here. It does have a drawstring, but I have it tucked in like this. And then I have my little Fendi bag and my little Gucci slides. I need to put some lotion on my feet. Lil Tony loved the light. Y'all, I low-key want to get me one for special occasions, girl, okay? Oh, and let me tell y'all really quick. So one of you guys DM'd me on Instagram. One of the purses that I linked on my Amazon storefront, girl, it was a whole boy toy. Okay, well, it's a girl toy too. But they was disguising the little fun toys under the purse's name. So it was clearly a purse. It says it in the description of the item, but it was a toy. It's clear as day. It was so embarrassing. I'm like, oh my gosh, like what is this? She sent this. She like, girl, you need to check your Amazon storefront because honey, this is not that. I'm like, girl, I don't need that because I got a warm one right in the But yeah, we're going to Cooper's Hawk to have some wine, and then we're going to get something to eat, Ryan.
Yes, please.
We don't know where we're going yet, but of course we will take you guys with us. So let's go. These glasses are from Free People. I'll try to link these as well. Okay, y'all, we're here. They're playing music out here, but we're going to have some wine. Y'all haven't seen Ryan yet. Come up, son.
You have a button.
Hey, y'all.
Oh, okay.
I told you my car bougie. Y'all, look at Ryan. I'm gonna do a red wine tasting because I don't want any white. Ryan's doing the variety. Let me show y'all the one I'm doing. Y'all, so the wine tasting was great as always. So now I don't know what song that is, girl, but hopefully it ain't nobody that's, I don't know. But we're on our way to the Green Papaya. Period. Girl, I'm wearing them out. I had Green Papaya yesterday. Y'all just didn't know, but I had Green Papaya yesterday because I took my son for the first time. My little Tony, he wanted to go to the Green Papaya, so we went there. But we're going to the Green Papaya and we're meeting up with Ryan's friend. Well, he my friend too, Darius. That's my little boo thing.
I think he need to go to Sephora, but I'm gonna wait because I need some more of that face wash.
Which one? Oh yeah, I put Ryan onto the Youth to the People face wash. It's so good. If y'all haven't tried that, y'all need to try it because it's really good.
Yeah.
But yeah, we're going to the Green Papaya now. Oh. That was fun. We always have a really good time at wine tasting, and the people are always so nice. They used to us now because the one lady, I know who y'all are because every time y'all come in here, y'all just be looking so good. So we had a good time. And now we're going to eat. It is 5:59. I haven't had anything to eat all day because I've been that busy.
My baby, I like you. My baby, I die for you. See you, you know, I see you. My baby, you know, I ride with you. My baby, I pray to the Lord. I rise to the Lord. Gonna greet the Lord. I pray to the Lord. Fatumata Jambele. Everything being safe again. Everything for your Jambele. Oh, Jambele. Oh, yeah.
Okay, y'all. So dinner was great. We're done. It's at night, so we're headed home. I have my to-go. I'm taking my little family some food to go. This is my food right here in the sushi that we shared. And then Tony wanted me to bring him back some of the udon noodles. But I keep telling y'all, if y'all in Jacksonville, y'all need to try papaya, okay? I'm here once a week, okay? Let's do a meet and greet. Because I'm always here. They taking pictures. Ryan is such a diva. He is such a diva. Hey y'all, it is the next day. I just got in. I had some errands to run this morning. I went to DSW. I met Sheila. Hey girl. I wanted to share with you guys these little snacks that I found. They're so good. This entire bag is only 100 calories. I got them from Target. So I got one of each flavor. I got the Jolly Gems. They look like this. I got the peach rings. These are just okay. It will take care of your sweet tooth. And then I got the sour melon bites. So these are my favorites so far. So if you guys are trying to lose a little weight like me, and then sometimes you get a sweet tooth that time of the month, these are it. So I think I'm gonna get these from now on when I have that sweet craving. But I went to DSW this morning looking for the shoes again to see if they had my size, and they didn't. But I bought some boots. Let me show y'all. They're so cute. I don't know where my tripod is right now, but these are the shoes. They're from Mark Fisher, and I found these in DSW. So cute. Isn't that cute? The heel is not too high. The heel is actually perfect. And these came in, how many colors? I want to say just the taupe and black, I think. So cute. Look at that. This is so my style. It has the zipper on the side. Like this. Let me try one on because I didn't try it on. I got it in a 9. That's the size I like to buy my shoes in. And I also got to go back out because I need to take this shirt back to Dick's Sporting Goods because I bought these little shirts right here. I bought one in black and in gray, but it's not a dry fit, and I just don't like it. So I'm gonna take this gray one back. I can't take this one back because I already wore it, but I'm taking that gray one back. So this is how the boot looks. Like this. Really cute. I love this color. It's so pretty. So yeah, happy fall, guys. So cute. I like these. I'll try to see if I can find them online and link them for you guys. What's this? But yeah, these are my new little booties. Super cute. Okay guys, so that is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at IAMSHERIKAB and TikTok, SherikaB2. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.